Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So today I'll be telling about how to draw ceiling in a plan. That is, I mean to say that how to draw false ceiling in a plan, as well as how to use the offset command in Revit architecture. So let me first open Revit architecture. In the Revit architecture, first let me draw one plan. I am repeatedly telling that my aim is not to draw 8-inch or 9-inch wall, but my aim is simply to show you in today's lecture how to draw false ceiling in the plan and to use light in that false ceiling. So as you can see here, the levels which are present here is level 1 and level 2, and from the north elevation if I'll check, then level 1 is at 0 feet 0 inch and level 2 is at 10 feet. It's okay. So let me go to the level 1, and in the level 1 let me go to the architectural wall, and here I need to connect that my height will be up to level 2, and now you can draw wall, because here I simply need to draw wall of any length. So because I need to make here a simple plan, so let me select here as simply wall center line. Now let me draw a plan. Let me draw here a sophisticated plan. I am not drawing here with scale. I am simply drawing here without any dimension. Okay, so this is the plan which I have drawn. As in my previous command I have told about how to use the trim. Simply need to go to the modify and use the trim command and click on this two wall, it will get trimmed off. So this is my plan. Now again I will draw. Simply click in any wall and type the command CS. After drawing the CS, I can now even make wall of any dimension. Let me draw the wall of any dimension. Okay, suppose this is the plan I have used. Let me go to the 3D view. So this is the shaded view. Let me go to the consistent color or realistic view. So this is the realistic view. So this is the plan. Suppose I need to draw here false ceiling. So in order to draw here false ceiling, because in my previous lectures I have told about how to draw the roof, that is roof by extrusion as well as roof by footprint. I have told about, even I have told about how to draw the floor. So today I will be telling about how to draw the ceiling, that is false ceiling or ceiling, so that I can insert in that false ceiling the various kind of light. So let me now go to the level 1. After going to the level 1, before drawing the ceiling, I have to make the roof. So I will now make the roof, that is roof by footprint. I will use here, yes, in level 2, because roof is provided at the top level and a ceiling is provided at some offset below the roof. So I have so now I need to make the roof. So let me now make the roof. Define slope, I will remove the slope, because here I will now make the roof. which is a flat roof. Okay, after selecting, I have to trim off the extra portion. See, now now I have selected the full boundary of the building. Now click it. Yes. Now while I go to the 3D view, I can check this is the roof which I have created, and the roof is created. Let me click it here, and the roof is created at the level 2. Now I need to create the ceiling. Now let me go to the level 1 and click on ceiling. First let me go to the level 1, then go to the ceiling. After going to the ceiling, I will click it here, the ceiling. As you can see here, height offset 8 feet means our roof height is at 10 feet, whereas the ceiling height is at 8 feet. So click it here. So I have clicked it here. Now my roof is created. Now again I'll click it here. Now again I'll click it here. 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 Okay. Now let me go to the 3D view, or let me go to the ceiling view. See, in the ceiling view, after clicking in the ceiling view, you can see here all the ceiling is created in all the rooms. Okay, the ceiling is created in all the rooms. So let me go to the level 1. But in the level 1 you cannot see the ceiling. So for looking at the ceiling, you need to go to the level 1, and for perfect looking into the ceiling, you need to go to the 3D view. After going to the 3D view, you need to check this section box. After clicking at this section box arises. Now decrease this section box. Now zoom it here, and you can see here by using the scroll button and shift button, you can rotate the image. Now you can check it here. Let me go to the consistent color view. See, this is the roof of the building, whereas this is the ceiling. See, this is the ceiling. Even you can look at the bottom view, the ceiling. This is the ceiling. So I hope it's clear to all of you. Even I can look in this side also, the ceiling. See, this is the ceiling which is created. This is the ceiling. Okay, so in the 3D view, I hope it's clear to all of you how to check the ceiling. Suppose I will click in this ceiling, and you can also even click it here, and you can see the compound ceiling of 2 feet by 4 feet. Even you can click it here. If you change the height, suppose I want to keep the height of the ceiling as at 7 feet, click it here 7 feet, it will go down. Now the ceiling will move a little bit, see, in the downward direction. Again move it to the 9 feet, it will move again upward in comparison to the 8 feet. So I have made the ceiling at a default height of 8 feet. After creating ceiling, now let me do one thing. Let me again go to the level 1. After going to the level 1, click in this ceiling plan. After clicking on this ceiling plan, now I will insert ceiling light. For that you need to go to the components, and after that place a component. After that load family, then go to the ceiling lighting. So here it's the lighting, go to the lighting, internal lighting. So as you can see here, ceiling light, flat round, ceiling light, linear box, downward recessed, downward downlight. So these are the various type of lights. Even I can use, these are the default light of Revit architecture. Even I can use different light by going to my C drive and selecting the miscellaneous downloads. So let me select here different type of light and fan. Even I can insert fan in that ceiling, or I can use the false ceiling light. Okay, light is not available here, so I can go to the Google and I can download it, or else do one thing, simply go to the load families and empirical library, lighting, internal lighting, then ceiling light, flat round ceiling light, linear box. Let me place this light and press OK. After clicking on OK, this light is at an elevation of 4 feet. I will keep this light at 8 feet elevation. After that, click on host face. So now I can click the light. So this is the light I have inserted here. This is the light. Then I can insert here. See, you can see here, place the light on the vertical face. So you need to delete this light, because I have placed this light in the vertical face. So delete it, then again go to the component, then load family, light, it is already being selected by default. Now place on face or place on work plane. So simply create the select the work plane. This is the work plane. I will place it here, the light. Or you can click on face. If the work plane does not work, then simply place on face. After that, you can see here, you can see aram se you can place the light. You can easily place the light. See, in a straight line you are placing the light. In this manner you can place the false ceiling light. Okay, so this is how I have inserted the false ceiling light. But for inserting, you need to go to the ceiling plan, not to the floor plan. After that, you can go to the room view in order to check the false ceiling light. So for that, what I will do is let me insert some different type of light in the remaining portion. Then again go to place components, load, then different light is let me place ceiling light, linear box, or let me go back and place it in the architectural internal ceiling light. Okay, let me place this light, place on. So place it here as well as place it here. So now let me check by going inside the room. And remember that if you want to go inside the room, then what you need to do is you have to go to the level 1, floor plan level 1. After going to the floor plan level 1, just delete this one. You need to go to the floor plan level 1, because in ceiling plan all the lights are being created. Simply go to the level 1, because light should never be shown in the floor plan level 1. So after going to the floor plan level 1, you need to go to this default 3D tab and you have to go to the camera. After going to the camera, you have to place the camera in this manner inside the room in order to view the room. After clicking it here, see, you can check the inside portion of the room. After that, you can zoom in and zoom out, and you can extend the area of the room in this manner. So after extending the area, you can see here that the lights are very clearly visible in the ceiling. Even you can go to the realistic view and you can check here. See, all the lights are visible. So I hope it's clear to all of you how to make the false ceiling as well as how to insert light in the false ceiling. Now I will tell you about the offset command, how to create and how to use the offset command. Simply let me go to the level 1. After going to the level 1, simply press the escape button 2 times, because if we need to go out of any work, we have to simply press the escape button 2 times. After pressing the escape button 2 times, now I will go to the modify tab and I will be using the offset command. This is the offset command. OF is the shortcut key. After that, there will be I can use the offset command in 2 ways. One is the graphical and another one is numerical. In the numerical, I have to simply place the offset distance, whereas in graphical I have to simply so I'll show you in 2 ways. First, let me go to the graphical, and the wall which I need to offset, simply I will click it here. After clicking it here, suppose this is the end point, I need to place the offset distance in any distance I can place it. Suppose I need to place it here, or I can simply type the distance at 2 feet, then it will 2 feet automatically create. Then again press the offset wall at 5 feet. At 5 feet distance it will be created. But on the another manner, that is numerical. In the numerical, you have to simply type the distance. Suppose I will need to create the offset distance at 8 feet. I'll click here 8 feet and I'll click here copy, because if I'll not place copy here, then the wall will get replaced to the 8 feet distance and the previous wall will get removed. Suppose I will not click here copy, then this is the wall. See, this wall has moved to 8 feet distance. Similarly, if I will place this wall, that wall will move to this to the 8 feet distance. But if I will press the copy command and if I will press 8 feet, on the left hand side it's showing, then it means that one wall will be created at the left hand side at a distance of 8 feet. See, this wall is also present, along with that the wall is created. So you can create on both the sides. Simply the dotted lines which is now showing, in that side it will be created. Now if I will click in this wall, another wall will be created at 8 feet distance in the right hand side. Suppose I need to create on the left hand side, then And for that, what you need to do is, see, now it has been created in the left hand side. So this is how you can see here. If I'll click in the upper portion, it will get created in the top portion. If I'll click in the bottom portion, it will get created in the bottom portion. This is how we can create at a distance of 8 feet or by using the numerical value, the offset. So I hope it's clear to all of you how to use the offset command as well, and how to create false ceiling and to insert light in that false ceiling. So if there is any kind of doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section, and I hope it's clear to all of you. So thanks for watching my video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe for the upcoming videos and different software, as I'll be going to teach various different type of softwares in civil engineering department. And if you like the video, then please press the like button, and thanks for watching the video again.